It's some of it could be on the heavy side. Now, not everyone's seeing it just yet. So if you're heading out the door, some folks need the umbrella, others don't need it just yet. So here's what we're talking about. Mostly been looking at the coastal areas, been watching as it's moving in. But look what's happening. The overall trend has shown that hasn't really kept together very well. So we have seen some of this weekend a little bit, but I also have seen other areas continue to see that development happening. So here's what it looks like right now. Homa, you guys had a quick break. Had some light rain and that moved on off. But now look what's happening. Got some more. Mandalay already seeing some heavy rain. No lightning with that just yet. Also looking down at Port Fourchon, Grand Isle, you guys also going to see some rain. Leeville likely going to see that in about 15 minutes or so. And look what already just passed you. Galliano looking at that rain cutoff as well. A lot of this holding it together still. So Lafitte going to see some rain here. I would say in about 10 to less than 15 minutes. And then on off to the east, we still got this coming. So very busy day up ahead for us and actually a very busy weekend. Right now looking at a flood watch for almost everyone. So let's time out the rain for you, get you out the door, get you started. So 7 a.m. still looking at rain down in Terrebonne Parish. I wouldn't be surprised if you guys did deal with some street flooding later on for today or even this morning. We'll be watching for that. At 9 a.m. finally starts to move onto the North Shore a little bit. New Orleans still not seeing a whole lot. This is 11 a.m. but you are still seeing some of these pop-ups happening for you. And then right at noon, that's when we're finally starting to see some rain in New Orleans. And then look what's happening. River parishes, you guys seeing a lot of rain. So this is the moment once we get to the afternoon where we're seeing the bands of rain over the same area for hours and hours. That could lead to some flooding. And then getting into Saturday morning, a couple showers starting to move in, kind of the same deal as this morning. And then once we get to later in the morning, we'll finally start to see that. But it doesn't look like it's going to be nearly as much. Still going to see heavy downpours at times. And this rain will continue on and off throughout your Saturday. So you will have some breaks in the day, but it's not going to be the sunniest day at all. And then getting into Sunday, I still do have a chance to see some rain, mostly going to be early. Then things will start to fade as you do get to the evening. So very rainy weekend up ahead. As far as rain totals go over the next 7 days, still looking at 5 inches along the coast, North Shore looking at about 2.5. We could all use this rain. So it's just all coming at one time, it seems like. The tropics, though, for us, got some big developments happening. Looking at this area at a 50% chance of seeing some development happening within the next 7 days. So likely by the time we get to early next week, we'll have more information on this one. And then still watching one behind it, looking at a 20% chance of seeing some development. So things are starting to get busy for us as we're heading throughout the rest of the month on into September. All right, here's your WD Shoes 7-day forecast. Looking at some 80s next couple of days. And then as the rain chances do go down, we will finally start to see some of those temperatures creep up. Your Labor Day doesn't look terrible for you. We'll be back into the 90s, 30% chance of some rain. Deja?